Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Jodoo Masterclass series. In today's lesson, we'll dive into 4 essential field types in Jodoo: the member and members fields, and the department and departments fields. Mastering these will help you build smarter, more collaborative forms and workflows in Jodoo. Let's start with the department and departments fields. The department field lets users select a single department from your organization's structure in Jodoo. The departments field, on the other hand, allows users to select multiple departments. When setting up these fields, you can control the available options in 3 ways: all departments, custom, and data linkage. All departments. If you choose this, you can select any department from your company's contacts. This is useful when there's no limit on which departments can be chosen. Custom. With custom, only the manually selected departments will be shown as options. Click on Settings to pick which departments to display. You can choose from department or dynamic options. Data linkage. This lets you link another form or field, so the available departments are determined by data from that linked source. For example, if you link to an employee profile form, the department options in the current form are determined by the value of the department field in the linked form. Now, let's talk about the member and members fields. These fields give you direct access to members from your company contacts. Member is like a radio button for members. Select one member from the available options. Members is a multi-select button. Choose multiple members. You can set the available options in 3 ways: all members, custom, and dependent on the department field. All members. This lets you pick any member from your company contacts. It's perfect when there's no restriction on who can be selected. Custom. Only the members you manually select will be available. In settings, you have 4 options. O department. Choose a department, and all its members become selectable. O roles. Pick a role, and all members with that role are available. O members. Directly select individuals from your company. O dynamic. Here, only the current user option is available, referring to whoever is currently logged in. Dependent on the department field. This means the available members will depend on the value selected in the department or departments field. To sum up, department and departments fields help you organize and filter data by your company's structure. Member and members fields let you assign tasks, approvals, or responsibilities to individuals or groups. All these fields can be customized to fit your workflow, making your form smarter and more collaborative. Make sure to set up your available options carefully to match your business needs. And remember, you can always combine these fields for even more powerful automation in Jodoo. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more Jodoo tips and tricks. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. See you next time.